Welcome to the video, fam. Today we are heading to Ben's to meet up with the squad. Before we ride, I'm going to see if the extra tire that they have, it will fit on this bike because my tire is just completely toast. It's like a racing slick right now. So if that fits, that'll be awesome. If not, we'll still ride and get some good footage because it's like 70 degrees out here and it is perfect. I love it. So stay tuned. Get over. Get over. Get over. Get over. There you go. Good job. There was a cop that was passing me while I was doing that. I was trying to help them by like telling them, yo, you don't have to slow down and stop all this traffic. You can merge. It's okay. Some people just don't get it. Looks like there's not a person in that car. Oh. You gotta sit up just to see. Why do that? Why not just put your seat up so you can see where you're going? What is going on here? Alright, almost to Ben's. Hopefully when I'm back, we'll be with the whole squad. We can still make it. That's awesome. Oh, I'm gonna go this way. Hey! Alright, got the squad. We just worked on the bike. I got a semi-used rear tire that's a lot knobbier for my rear now. Hey, there's Spencer. I'm excited to be able to keep up off-road finally. It's gonna be nice. Oh, taking the exit. Joey, you can do it. Oh! Those kids loved it. Hell yeah. There we go. That was a good one. I feel like we're putting on a show for all the people. Hi. Hi, I gotta wave. Oh, that's sick. Yes. That's a Grom?
You're doing a Grom.
No way. What up, dude? He's got a camera on and everything. He wasn't having it though, he wasn't stopping. I wanted to say hi. If you watch the channel, dude, what's up? Nice Grom. Oh, so much more traction, it's amazing. Even with a used tire, it's so much better. Gotta get out of this. Oh, that was sick. Hey, what's up? He likes it. Oh, I tried to downshift, I just missed it. Oh, that's like the road jump. Woo! A little more juice.
Oh, God!
There he got it. She loved it. I just can't hit the curb and land right on it. I gotta give it some sauce. Hey, that was awesome. Let's see if they can all clear it. Ben, of course Spencer does. Come on, Joey. Perfect. That's so exciting. That's like the best jump we found out here yet. It probably doesn't look like much, but it's fun. Last one? All right. I'm getting a workout. Yeah. I was like, hey, how's my front wheel smell? Oh man, almost got it. That'd be gangster. Hand shifting on. That was nasty. Oh, stunts on him. Yes. That's not good. We'll have to tell the guys. He just keeps wheeling on it. What? Are you joking? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Well, that side ain't bad. That side's a little worse. Whipping it down, about crashed. Oh, bottomed out them forks hard. Gotta get them seals done ASAP. Oh god. Bike's getting hot. Oh, that worked. Holy cow. I haven't seen a scrape in a while. About time.
Oh! That was shitty. Probably because I know what the feeling is.
Yup, yup. We've all seen it happen. Oh, that's a big in there, bud. Big old pothole there, bud. Dang, look at these guys. Whoa! Jesus! Get it together, Omaha. Gene Stopper, whatever the hell our mayor's name is. You need to be fired. Spencer rocking Kyle Regal's old helmet on Kyle Regal's old bike. That's gay. If you didn't know that. Fun fact for you. Oh god. No one cares today. I mean, all the kids care, but all the parents are like, nah, that's not safe. I have a baby. I have a baby too. And he freaking loves dirt bikes. Jesus, dude, they're like whoops. That was a fun, short little ride. I mean, we were only out for maybe 45 to an hour, but I feel like we found a lot of cool little urban spots. So we went back and checked on Joey's tire, and it filled back up with air, and now it's holding air again. So I don't know, we're not sure what happened, but it looks good, so we're riding. Oh, Jesus! I'm on a dirt bike, and that was like intense. Hey, biker! Biker man! Oh God, Spencer! Dear Lord, that one scared me. That was nuts. What? 2 cops where? What are you talking about? Thanks, buddy. But I'm very confused. Maybe there was like 2 cops that live there?
There's 2 cops right there, I thought he said.
Yeah, that's what I thought, but...
Where, dude?
Yeah, I was thinking maybe helicopter, but I don't see anything, dude. It got me all...
Cause no, the dude was like, you guys should go. There's 2 cops right there. I swear that's what he said.
He was following behind the car behind us for like a mile. I saw that.
Nice.
Yep, don't see any cops. I don't know what that guy was talking about. Oh! want to win. Oh my God. Getting some speed. Getting some speed. Ah! F your couch. There you go. Alright guys, that's it. We're out of here. It's getting dark. We're gonna go home and eat some barbecue. But if you like the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and until next time, peace.
Mr. Roboto.
That was the biggest one yet. Finally getting a little bit of grip out here, eh?